Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix, and for today's video going to show you how to go incognito on Google Chrome. So first you need to go to your Google Chrome, open up your Google Chrome browser right here, and then click on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen, and from here you'll find new incognito window. So click this one and it will open up your incognito browser, or you can actually tap on Shift Control N so you can open as well your incognito browser, as you can see right here. Now you can click on this add tab, then you are on incognito as well. Now you need to make sure that you read all the instructions right here about using this incognito browser. So that's how you basically go incognito on Google Chrome. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.